40 years of Airfix toys, 300 colour photos with all listings and serial numbers for plastic models of soldiers, mounted police, motorcyclists, speedway sets, nature trail. The FN rifle, Donald Duck, Mickey Mouse, Yogi Bear, Noddy, and given the era, Air Hostess, secretary, teacher and nurseville, role play for girls. In the 1950s, alongside toys and model kits, Airfix also produced building sets, Betta Bilda, similar to Lego, but without the effective joining system that made Lego the market leader. And Airfix later diversified into Dinky Toys and Meccano. But these are the early years, when Airfix was started in 1939 by refugee Milos Klein. And in 1947, the first plastic injection moulding machine was produced. Such an array of toys, fantastic nostalgic collection. The book was published at £25 and through bibliophilebooks.com. Less than half price, it's just £12. 40 years of Airfix toys.